When we look at this exercise, you'll notice that rows 4 through 7 actually have your column headings at the top. But if you look at the second page, you're going to see there are no column headings. Let me go back down to the page layout view for just a moment so you can see what I'm talking about. Here's page 1 with our column headings. But notice page 2 does not have any, so if you printed this out, you really wouldn't know which each of the columns represented. I want to show you how to get it to print those 4 rows at the top of every page that prints out. Let me go back to the normal view, and let's go ahead and go over to the tab that says Page Layout. Now we're going to be talking about all these different options here in this module, but right now I want to go over to where it says Print Titles. What you want to do is where it says rows to repeat at top, you want to click there and then come back in your spreadsheet here and select rows 4, 5, 6, and 7. You're going to do that by clicking on the actual row heading itself over here, and you can see that it put that right here for you. Let's go ahead and print preview from here and see what it looks like. Now this is taking us into the print option that we're going to talk about later, but I want you to notice here's page 1 with their headings, and to see page 2 you'll go all the way down to the bottom where you see the arrow that says next page, and then here's page 2. See the headings? And if you added additional pages they would just have the headings automatically. To get out of this, I'm going to go back and hit the back arrow there, and that takes me back into my normal view. You can also print columns on every page if you had a really long document from left to right that we're going to print. And the way you would do that is you'd go back to Print Titles. But this time you would say columns to repeat at left, and then you would select those columns that you wanted to be on every page that prints out. But more likely you're going to use the rows to repeat option. That's really all there is to working with your print titles.